way to build. I can't breathe. Yeah, this the new duel or the old duel. So we have this guy, bad boy up, and it's easy to build, but I need to get a block concrete, same as his body do. And I did you not know I have this. If you want to link this better add mod from Bedrock condition like this every single gun already have, bro. Do you want some? Do you want some? Nah, you don't. So we're gonna build this guy with every single block we want to use, like this. Yeah, and even the white concrete card they wall. So let me get this. Yep, we need those, and even this one. And we got yellow concrete, which this, and add a little bit this. So now we're gonna build this first. He don't have those. He have, okay. So let me build that though. And let me add this concrete. No, wrong. And add this only. And we're gonna add this. Boom. And maybe that one. And boom, boom. Yeah, that's cool. But we're gonna add this concrete, which the best concrete I use from legs every single titans like I build TV1, bro. You never shut up, huh? You never shut up. You never shut up. You shut up. Nah, that's good. So we need a this concrete, which this dark organize me, bro. Are you serious right now, bro? And which, bro, chill out, bro. So now we have the concrete. That's good. So that's good. Let's make that up and make this. Boom. Now that's more good than I expected. Add this again and put this. Yeah, because that's the one who we gonna use. Now that's good. That's good. Let me add this. No, not like that. No, that's what I'm talking about. Maybe find a bad thing. Let me add here, and cross. Yeah, that's good because cross actually is so good, and you just use it. So boom. So that the legs, but we are not done yet because this is so hard to build, bro. Now you can shut up. Bro, why this guy so insane? I'm not doing anything. This again, but this one is different though. So I know guys, there's a lot of duelers from the Java condition and Bedrock condition. Boom, boom, and boom, boom. Now that the best part. Boom, boom, boom. That's good. So this take me a long time to build this guy. Now that's be okay, right? This is good enough. Give me one chance, okay? Give me one chance. Let me use this first. Bro, you have to die, bro. Now you're gone. So I'm so sorry for that guy. That guy is so annoying. But I really know who's that guy. That can be, and this the best part. People can escape because this the ways to escape. You can escape this guy because this guy have every single like that. You spawn him and boom, she can crawl or give me a chance. Or she can do this. Yeah, like that. So that's why everyone just download this mod. If you want download this mod, just let me finish my build. And actually so hard to build. So that's why I show you how to build better than your friends. So I need to get the blocks that what I need. Boom, we got it. Boom, boom. Now that's it. Let me add this concrete. And boom. Voila, we got it. Right? Nah, that's bad. Now that's good. Let me put this one. And put this for the good. Boom. And let me see if they same. Yeah. Nah, you going here. Bro, are you serious right now, bro? Good. So this guy have a long, huh? But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Let's make the pit again, which the size of wait. Give me one chance. Let's make the first one and different blocks again. Yeah, that's good. Now that's okay. And better we have this quick and add this. Boom. So different blocks because that's what I use for build a like a titan from the Skibidi toilet. Yep. So we have to remove this stuff and I know what to do. Move that again and boom, put that. Boom, boom. And now you have this already. So let's make the yan. Yan. Good. All good. So we have this concrete come down. And I know that. Boom. And good. Now that's good. Same as the same. So okay. Now that's good. So guys, if you want to download the gun, let me finish my build because this is what I choose to stop walking. If you walk, I'm gonna shoot you this again, bro. Or this one. Do you want? Do you want it? If you want it, I will eat you. Yeah. So we're gonna build a like the same but different color because every single I build is actually so hard. So we're gonna build that thing and we're gonna make another simple of this. Okay, wrong. Like this. Boom, bill, boom. So we make a cross just the same as this duel. So we're gonna make this up. Bad boy up. Boom. Boom. Now that's what I'm talking about. Pretty good. It's actually so good, bro. So put this down. Pew, 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 pew. Okay. Not sure. Maybe that's good, okay. So there's different. Okay. And let's, bro. How far are you? I can still see you, bro. Let me get my good only. This one. So I can see you, bro. Okay. Sorry. Bang, bang, boom. Pew. That's good. Boom. Pew. That's good. Why I'm good? Right. Why I'm good? Huh? Why I'm so good at you? Why I'm so good? Headshot. Nah, I know it. You got toxic, huh? Come here to daddy. You have to TP on me now. Pew.
Oy, soli mo ang bote kila mama, nandiyan ka pala.
I'm so sorry, guys. Bro. I'm not done yet. Oh, now hear that. Bro, what? So this next one, bases. Oh, that's good. This because we are gonna make goods. May that. Give me one chance. Let me add this.
Okay, sige, go ahead. Ano na po, Miss Cassie? Kasi, kanina pa po narinig ko that you are not involved in Lucky South 999 operation. But inadmit po that during your visit at Bangkok to settle the accounts of Lucky South 999 with Harry Roque, bakit ikaw? Hindi ba sabi mo kanina you're not involved in the operation of Lucky South 999? Then all of a sudden you represent Lucky South 999 sa Bangkok na alam mo po kung pinag-usapan doon that the sublease agreement, not the sale of the property in which ang claim mo is real property lang kayo. And you've said hindi ka involved sa Pogo. But now, you're confirming that you represent Lucky South 999 to settle the account of a Pogo licensing. This is Lucky South 999 doon sa Bangkok. Napaka-inconsistent po.
Hindi po.
Bakit hindi?
Nagbayad lang po ako at nag-present para sa Lucky South 99.
Ayun ang problema.
Pero po, okay lang po magsalita po.
Yeah,
Pero po, hindi po ako, wala po akong kinalaman.
Mr. Chair, I'm sorry. We cannot allow this kind of attitude from Miss Please, allow the members to finish their question, okay? Masyado kang pakyut eh.
Hindi po. Pasensya na rin po.
Good.
So let it be a reminder to you, Miss Cassie, na patapusin mo munang magtanong ang ating mga member bago ka sumagot.
Okay po. Pasensya na po.
Please proceed. Lastly,
And address the chair, Mr. Chair. Ask her.
Maybe something
Direct her to address the chair.
and address the chair. Pag sasagot ka, address the chair bago ka sumagot.
Okay po.
Thank you. Thank you, Chairman. We put on record that Cassie is lying because inconsistent po yung sinasabi niya kanina. Nakikinig lang po ako is not representing Lucky South 999 but here comes the payment of accounts. Siya po ang bumayad. Kahit sabihin mo pa po, hindi mo pera from check. But still, you represent Lucky South 999 and Pagcor to settle that account.
That's well.
The next to interpolate is Congressman Keith Flores. You're recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. This is Casio. I just want to be clarified on certain matters, specifically about Whirlwind and Lucky South 99. You testified earlier that you are 50% owner of Whirlwind Corporation. Tama po ba?
58 po, Mr. Chair.
58%. Okay, ang 58% na to, how much po ang binigay nyo or binayad nyo for the shares of stock representing 58% of Whirlwind Corporation?
Mr. Chair, pwedeng hindi ko po sagutin yan.
At bakit naman po?
For privacy lang po.
Well, you know, you have to understand that Whirlwind Corporation is involved in a very serious investigation with regards to the Pogo incident. Tama po ba, di ba? And that's why we want to find out also, since you are the majority stockholder, how much you put into that corporation. And that's why I think the question is also important for you to answer.
Pasensya na po. Ayun po. Pasensya na po, Mr. Chair.
Sige, sige. I'll let it go for the meantime. Balikan ko yan. Now, ang Whirlwind naman po ang may-ari ng mga buildings in that Pogo Hub. Tama?
Yes po. Yung
Kayo po ang nagpagawa, no? Kasi ang Whirlwind ang nagpa-construct
Whirlwind po, opo.
structures na yan. Now, in the construction of these buildings, numbering about 45 buildings, no? How much ang nagastos ng Whirlwind Corporation?
We'll double check it po, Mr. Chair.
You being the majority stockholder does not know how much you spent for the 46 buildings. As in a ballpark figure man lang.
Mr. Chair, na 3 times, bali, nung una, pinatayo is phase 1 po, tapos sumunod yung phase 2 and phase 3 po.
Okay nga. So give me a ballpark figure for phase 1. Sabihin natin. Magkano ginastos?
Ito double check ko po, Mr.
No,
Chair.
give me a ballpark figure. You're the majority stockholder. It's impossible na hindi mo alam anong ginastos nyo.
Yes po, pero i-double
Yes?
check, i-double check ko po, Mr. Chair, for
So
that.
wala kang
Balikan ko po
idea?
kayo.
Magkano ginastos nyo?
Yung exact
Let me
amount po,
look
Mr.
at
Chair.
the whole. The whole sucks so tiny.
Double check.
Double check pa rin.
It's so good. Baby,
How about Lucky
good.
South 99?
Boom.
Stockholder
No.
of Lucky South 99.
Yeah, maybe that's good enough.
But sometimes
Bakit
you are
na
the
ado?
authorized representative of Lucky South 99.
So now that's maybe good.
Now, are you going to maintain
Hmm.
that Lucky South 99
Yeah, that's good.
and Whirlwind
Next
Corporation
one.
are two separate and distinct entities?
So 2 times. Yeah, 2 times blocks as you want.
Nung una po, yung Lucky South
Mhm.
and Whirlwind po, is isa lang po. Pero po, nung huli
Wait,
na ibenta
to be
Lucky South.
And when did that happen, Iso?
Last year
boom
po.
boom
Last year lang, nabenta.
Apo.
So from 2019 to 2023,
Boom, boom.
they were one and the same.
boom boom.
Yes po.
So one and the
Pero
same.
hindi siya totally different owners po.
Different owners but
Pero
one and the
po,
same.
parang
I'm confused. Again, Iso.
way back 2019, nauna po si Lucky South po, Mr. Chair.
Nauna si Lucky South.
Opo, Mr. Chair. Tapos nung huli po, tsaka nagkaroon ng Whirlwind po, Mr. Chair.
So same owners ang Whirlwind Corporation and Lucky South?
Yes po, nung una po, Mr.
Nung
Chair.
una.
Opo.
Lucky South 99. Kung
That's right, because that's so
you're the
long.
majority stockholder of
So we're gonna add that and
but
put
you
this
just
and
testified earlier that hindi
add
ka part
this
of Lucky South
concrete.
99.
Hindi po ako
Put
part po ng
this one.
Pogo operation, Mr. Chair.
Wait. Inihiwalay mo ang Lucky South 99 sa Pogo operations? Ano?
Kasi Mr. Chair, si Lucky South, pinaparental lang po talaga niya sa mga Pogo po.
Now that's good.
So let me
Bro,
get this
that's
straight.
good.
Whirlwind rents it out to
If
Lucky
you
South
don't
99,
see
tama?
that's good,
Yes,
I'm
po.
gonna
And
shoot
Lucky
you.
South rents it out to
That's
somebody
good,
else.
bro.
Yes, to the
Dude.
Chinese po.
Okay, but then you said
This one's so
earlier
cool,
that
bro.
Lucky South and
Now
Whirlwind are
let's
one and the
make
same.
the next.
So you meaning you're renting it to
The next
yourself?
just easy to make. Just add the
Kaso
boom.
technical po yung abogado ko.
No,
Like this or this.
I mean, ikaw yung may-ari, majority stockholder.
Yeah, that's good.
Ikaw din yung stockholder ng
Let's
Lucky South
get
99.
the
And
white
hindi mo alam
concrete.
na you're just renting it from each
Just
other?
that
And
we're
you're saying
gonna
na
use
it's one and the
from
same?
ice
Different
concrete.
owner po kasi sila.
You just said earlier na it's one and the same.
It's one and the same po nung una. Pero, ito-double check ko po.
Double check na naman. Parang lumaki ka ba sa firm? Anyway, again, advice.
Something. Oh, that boom.
Well, Border, Mr. Chair. Is the lawyer advising the speaker, or is he dictating the answer?
The lawyer is just advising his client of her rights, Your Honor. So, please do not coach your client, only advise her of her rights. Thank you. Please proceed, Congressman Kim. Okay, Sandro, are you ready with your answer mo?
Give me one chance.
Sige.
Nakapagsagot ka na ba, bro?
Mm.
Well, Mr. Chair,
Lahat.
Hindi pa.
point of, I guess maybe perhaps a suggestion,
Boom.
Mr. Chair. Because,
You.
we've been here
Pop.
since 9 o'clock in the morning.
Need the concrete.
I think every time
White and
there's a
black
hard
on.
question asked of Miss Ong, she would, before answering, she would consult and double check and consult her lawyer. And it takes time for the
Boom,
lawyer to advise Miss Ong. Maybe we
Block
can
make that
set
block.
seconds.
Kumain ka na. Ito, gusto pa nga i-stress.
Seconds or what?
Nakikinig ko pa ng ganyan, nakaka-stress yan. Gusto pa magkasakit ang tuluyan.
Dito. Then we're not
Boom.
Sa'yo ka na-stress kayo
Sorry
mo.
for that. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. Sorry for that, guys. Sorry. I'm so sorry to hear that.
Ingay.
So.
Sarado mo pito, tento.
30 seconds.
I got that.
Please proceed, Congressman Kim. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Sometimes, Miss Ong, kasi when we
Now let's start this
more
concrete.
confusing, it makes it more difficult to answer.
No,
Dali
that's
kasi
one.
kung mas simple
That's
yung,
not concrete. I'm gonna use today.
then it's also easier to answer it. Now, Miss Ong, do you remember if Whirlwind Corporation, in putting up those buildings, obtained a loan from any bank?
Pwede pakiulit po yun.
Secure ba ng loan ang Whirlwind Corporation sa pagpatayo ng structures na yun from any bank or financial institutions?
No po.
Wala. So, pera lang ang Whirlwind Corporation.
Opo.
So, from the estimates of the buildings, Miss Ong, aabot daw sa estimates ng POAB ng up to 5 billion ba yan ang sinabi? 5 or 6 billion ang cost ng assessed value ng building sa per foot year. Ang sinasabi mo pa
Can we adjust our tools for this? Where do you sort? Let me add that. With that, with that, with that. Boom. That's perfect, bro. It's so perfect, baby. So let's me add that. Bro, it's not the same as the eye. But look cool. So just let me get this correct. So how I see hold. So the eyes is like this, like that.
Double check again. So hindi mo alam kung magkano income ng Whirlwind Corporation? Na kumita siya ng ganon nga amount, finance on its own the structures that were built in that place.
Maybe the eyes make me harder than the body.
What are you sure of, Miss Hong? Ano bang yung alam mo? Being the majority stockholder of Whirlwind Corporation, is there anything na you're sure of?
Not like that, like that maybe. Maybe that's so bad. Oh, it's so bad, so bad. We just make a good build. Oh, that's look like Halo Brain. Nope. Is that good right now, guys? That's look like toilet. You see, that's look like toilet. Here, beam, boom. Let me add that. Bro. Bro, is that good, bro? No, dude, it's not. The body on is good. But I hate the eyes, bro.
How much yung ininvest mo initially with that corporation?
That's what. Oh yeah, this one's good. Let me get a white concrete and black concrete. Still like that. Yeah, there's someone. So let me get this bad boy up. Let me get this. Boom. Boom. So we got white. No. White is here. And white is here. And let me get this concrete. Just let me finish my build. That's really good, I think. Let me. This is the black concrete. Yo. No. Oh. Bro, what is this? Nah, bro. Nah, I'm gonna make me TNT cannon. Mom. Onions. I hate this thing. Sorry guys to hear that. Just don't hear that. Just don't hear that. I hate this. Build. Sorry guys for that stupid build. Bruh. I hate this build. Bro, I'm so sorry, bro. I'm so sorry for that. Your face so bad. I can build your body, but your face not. So give me 1,000 TNT, bro. Bro, I hate this build. TNT, bro. spill, bro. I don't like this spill, bro. Bro, I'm so sorry for that, bro. Can you say goodbye, bro? Yeah, oh. Yeah. Shut up, Jones. Let's go, I'm so sorry, bro. So, guys, like and subscribe before I die from this stupid guy. It took me 30 minutes to build, but now